Professional series, stronger than stainless steel cookware, hard anodized aluminum exterior is dense, nonporous, and highly wear resistant for the perfectly even heat and professional performance. Ultra non-stick. The non-stick cooking surface is coated 3x, reinforced with minerals and diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Super durable. The coating of the pan is durable enough to withstand metal spatulas, spoons, whisks and more, while the aluminum exterior is dense, nonporous, and highly wear-resistant for long-lasting performance. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Oven-safe induction capable. This set is compatible with all cooktops including gas, electric and induction and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Pioneering Granite stone cookware features a mineral-infused granite coating that is the perfect blend of non-stick durability ease of use. The Granite stone cookware is pressed from a single sheet of aluminum and layered 3 times with our proprietary coating for the ultimate non-stick experience, which requires no oil, making healthy cooking easy. The extra thick coating is super durable and is scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe. The pan's sleek and modern speckled exterior with neutral tones will match any kitchen decor cleanup as a breeze too, and the pans will look new even after years of use. Top reviews from the United States. Nothing sticks 3 months in. Best pan ever. If I need to melt cheese, I put it in the pan and pour it out in a perfect glob. Nothing is left over in the pan. I've made salmon in it, eggs countless times. I've left cheese and egg on the pan in the sink with no water overnight, and I turned the sink on and it all fell out without me touching the pan. Nothing has ever stuck. I take good care of the pan though. I only use silicone utensils. I store them on a pan rack. I clean them gently with a soft bristle dish brush.